How to separate criticism from feedback? Okay, good question. Okay, kung ikaw ay nanggagaling doon sa point of view ng nagki-criticize versus nagbibigay ng feedback, know that a criticism is a judgment. It's an evaluation of the person, while feedback is information. Okay? Ang bagal mong magtrabaho, that's criticism. Feedback is hindi mo na-submit yung report on the deadline. No? Okay? Criticism is ang tamad mo. Okay? Feedback is hindi mo na-achieve yung iyong productivity target today. Feedback is objective. There's no judgment. There's no criticism. Okay. Kung ilalagay mo yung sarili mo doon sa kinalalagyan ng nagre-receive ng criticism or feedback, ito po yung may papayo ko. Okay. You don't have control over how people will give you feedback or criticism. But you have control over how you're going to respond. Okay? Binigyan ka ng criticism, ang sabi, ang bagal mong magtrabaho, o kaya ang sabi ay ang tamad mo, and you find it to be hurtful at saka hindi useful, kasi anong gagawin mo doon sa criticism na yun? What you can probably say is, or ask, no? Bakit mo naman nasabi na tamad ako? Can you give me specific examples of what I did so that I can improve myself, di ba? Pag sinabing ang pangit ng report mo, that's a criticism, no? Ang pangit na report mo, that's a criticism. How do you turn it into a feedback? You ask, which part of the report did you not like so that I can work on them? Your feedback is valuable to me, di ba? So now, yung tao na kung ano man yung kanilang intention for giving you criticism will now be able to help you get better because you pointed them to the right direction on how to work with you. So sinabi mo, hindi maayos yung report ko. Gusto kong umayos yung report ko, baka pwede mo akong bigyan ng specific feedback on that. So yun po yung aking may share tungkol dyan. No? My manager is very honest and devoted sa company management.